Star, don't skip, wait for me. The man in a leather jacket follows an woman in a red dress. The woman ducks behind a well and emerges in a yellow dress, leaving the red one behind. As a man in a leather jacket follows a man a yellow dress. The man ducks behind a well, emerges in a yellow dress, leaving the red one